My dear toppers, how are you? Imagine this. Your company says every Friday work on your passion, on your idea, on your dreams, and we'll still pay you. Sounds too good. But one company actually did this. Google. Google told its employees take 20% of your own ideas. Take 20% time for your own ideas. And from these ideas, things like Gmail, Google News, AdSense were born. Today, using this concept, I am explaining you intrapreneurship. Is this entrepreneurship? No, completely different term. Entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. This is unit 3. Let's explain key contents of unit 3. Key contents of unit 3 are entrepreneurship, meaning of entrepreneurship, factors affecting entrepreneurship. These are political, legal, taxation, resource availability, psychological, technological, and administrative support. These are the key contents. These are the topic provided by ICSC board. Then next topic for the chapter is types of entrepreneurship, small business, scalable startup, large company, spin-off, and social. Innovation, meaning types of innovation in entrepreneurship, difference between invention and innovation. Then entrepreneurship, meaning characteristics of entrepreneurship, difference between entrepreneurship and intrapreneurship. When Google gives 20% of time for their own ideas to the employees and even share profit margin with them, this is the example of entrepreneurship. Clear? Now, entrepreneurship. What is entrepreneurship? Achieving attitude towards their own business. When you start a startup and you have attitude to take risk, to provide innovative solution to the problem which people are facing, 100% you will be successful entrepreneur. And the venture started by you is called enterprise, and the process by which you are doing this, that complete process is entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship means spotting opportunities, arranging resources, taking calculated risk, and creating value through new or improved product services. It is not single act, but by scanning the environment, by finding out needs and problems of the people, you as an entrepreneur are giving creative solution to the people, and obvious people will buy this. Entrepreneurs respond to changes. Entrepreneurs always respond to changes, even it is with technology, with social change, taste, preference, or any government policy or taxation related policy. Entrepreneur always respond to these changes. Real life link, if we see it in real life, digital payment growth after UPI created business opportunities for apps like Paytm, Phone Pay, etc. Write in comment section if you know any other app for UPI payment, online payment. Key points: organized and purposeful, connected with change, uses land, labor, capital, technology. Then generate employment and innovation, nature and characteristics of entrepreneurship. Nature and characteristics of entrepreneurship. This is process based. Start from idea generation and continuous through planning, execution, and expansion. Innovation driven, always customer always wanted to have something new. As an entrepreneur, you have to give something new to your customers so that you can defeat your competitors. Then risk bearing, yes, obvious, higher the risk, higher the profit. In entrepreneurship, you have to be risk bearer. Value creation, yes, value in profit form or by providing quality goods to the society. This is social, by providing jobs, by providing employment. And technology, by using better methods, by importing technology from other countries. And opportunity focus, yes, with limited resources entrepreneurs grow. Factors affecting entrepreneurship: political factors, stable government, supportive policies helps entrepreneurs to introduce new products, new services, new ideas. So if government support, yes, we can generate employment for us, for others also. Then legal and taxation factors, simple registration, fair taxation, and easy compliance help the youth to start new startups. By starting new startups, these employees contribute to the GDP of economy. Then tax holidays make startups experiment more. Tax holidays. What do you mean by tax holidays? Says. Have you listened about says special economic zones? Government improved some areas with world class facilities, power, roadways, banking, everything, so that people go there and start their venture with world class facilities. When foreign companies also come there and start their venture, because this area is having world class facilities. And if someone is investing in this area, they are buying land for next 5 years, they don't have to pay taxes. This 5 year time period is called tax holidays. So these things are we are using to attract investment, and obvious in this way we earn foreign currency also if MNCs invest in our country also. Resource availability, finance, skilled workers, infrastructure, and technology attract entrepreneurs. Example, Bangalore became the IT hub due to engineers, funding, and tech ecosystem. Yes, obvious, Bangalore. Psychological factors, high achievement need, risk taking abilities, self confidence, creativity, and internal control motivate people to start business. Your inner urge to do something new, something creative, something better, to have your own boss, this push you to be an entrepreneur. Technological factors, digitalization, AI, e-commerce, automation open new markets and reduce cost. Small sellers now sell worldwide through online platforms only. No need to buy a shop or take on rent. You can sell everything which is available for sale only to each corner of the world by using online platform only. Administrative support, single window clearance, incubation center, and simple approval reduce delay and support young entrepreneurs. Then types of entrepreneurship. Types of entrepreneurship, small business, locally owned, small scale, low capital, and objective to earn our living. Not so huge profit, but to earn your own living. Then example, shopkeeper or coaching centers, because they are running this small business in their specific radius only. Scalable startup based on innovation and rapid growth. Based on innovation and rapid growth, then seek funding, aim for large market. Seek funding, aim for large market, because they are scalable startup. They have their ideas with them, but obvious they need funding for this. Example, Flipkart and Zomato. Large company entrepreneurship, innovation with big firms to stay competitive. Example, Tata Motor developing EVs. Spin-off. Spin-off is very interesting topic. New business created from existing organization or researchable ideas. Example, many tech firms from university labs. This is spin-off, when new business created from existing organization. From existing organization, new business is created. This is called spin-off. Social entrepreneurs, entrepreneurs who are earning, and maximum focus is to do welfare for the society. Focus on solving social problem with sustainable models. Example, Arvind Eye Care or Gunj. Innovation. Innovation meaning using creative ideas to introduce new or improved products. Innovation, by adding something new in existing product, is innovation. Process or business model that add value. Innovation keeps a company competitive because customer always wanted to have something new, so add something new to the product or service each time, so that customers will attract to you and you can defeat your competitors. Then types of innovation. Product innovation, when you add something new to your product only. Then process innovation, better production or delivery methods. This is process innovation. Automation in factories, faster delivery system like Blinkit, Zepto. Marketable innovation, new ways of promoting, packaging or pricing means how you are attracting customers to buy or to grab your service. So how you are promoting the product. Business model innovation, changing how a business operates, like Uber, taxis without owning car, and Airbnb, hotel without owning rooms. Concept summary. Product means what we are offering. Product means what we are offering. Then process, how it is made, what process we are using to make this product. And marketing, how it is sold, how we are selling this product. Then business model, how the whole business work. Business model means how the entire organization work, what system, what philosophy we are following, what organization structure we have adapted. Difference between invention and innovation. When a thing created very first time, that is invention. Like when very first time computer is introduced by someone, that was invention. But now computer is in your phone only, phone also, that is innovation. So invention, creating something new, and innovation, making invention practical and useful. Focus, invention means discovery. Invention means discovery, and innovation means commercial use, market use. Then invention example, first computer invented, and innovation, laptops, smartphones evolved. Intrapreneurship, Google story, when Google allow employees to take 20% of time on their own ideas, and from these ideas things like Gmail, Google News, AdSense were born. And with this, Google is sharing profit with these employees. Google is also sharing profits with these employees. So, entrepreneurship is entrepreneurship inside organization where employees act like entrepreneurs to innovate and improve systems. Characteristics, creativity within company. Like Google employees are using their own creativity. Freedom to experiment. Yes, they are using 20% of time, means one day of a week, so they have freedom to experiment. Limited personal risk because they are getting salary from the organization even for this day also. Helps firm to stay competitive. This always help firm to stay competitive because employees find something new, something innovative, something creative. Intrapreneurship refers to entrepreneurship within an organization where employees behave like entrepreneurs to develop new ideas, products, or process inside the company. The organization provides resources, funding, and support while employees contribute creativity and innovation. Same Google example. Characteristics, creativity within the company, employees generate new ideas to improve product or processes. Freedom to experiment, organization provide time, independence to work on innovative ideas. Then limited personal risk, obvious, they are getting salary from the organization, so they have limited risk. Helps the firm stay competitive. Continuous innovations keeps help firm to stay innovative and help the firm to defeat competitors. Obvious example, Google. Real life example from entrepreneurship, Google's 20% time policy. Google official website, Google. I have taken all this entire information from official website of Google. Google is known worldwide for its strong entrepreneurship culture. Google's 20% time policy. Google allowed employees to spend 20% of their time to work on their ideas, their passion, their dream, and they always pay for this. Why Google introduced this policy? To encourage creativity, to allow employees to develop new product, to promote freedom of thought, to stay innovative and competitive. Successful product born from entrepreneurship. Many famous Google products like Gmail, Google News, and AdSense born from it. So here your chapter 3 is complete. What is your role in this? Watch this video again, pause it, write notes, and teach someone. If you don't want to teach any other person, teach yourself again. Think about the chapter what I have explained. And my dear teachers, if you required case studies on this chapter or questions like assertion and reasoning, statement based, or competitive type questions. If you require, please comment in the comment section. I will personally mail it to you. And if you require test for 20 minutes from this chapter, I will provide test also. We'll meet in we will meet tomorrow in day 4 Ignite with chapter 4. Thank you.